Hello everybody, I just want to show you how easy it is to clean your teaching guides when you're working. So the first thing that I'm going to do with my painting page is actually practice directly onto the sheet. So I'm going to load my brush as if I was painting onto a project, literally putting those two colours onto the brush so that I can shade, colour and highlight all in one go. And then by following the lines on the brush on the page itself, I'm going to just do that work. So it's just showing me where I'm going to colour, and I put them on and chosen some light shades so that you can see where I'm going. So I'm just literally going to pick up some more red so I can keep those two colours nice and separated, put the red down, put that white down, and then just go in the middle as I've gone there. And then finally, the last part of this is to put in our little, I guess it's the end of the hat. So I'm just going to go back over it. I'm going to do the next one for us. So I'm keep practicing doing this, and you can see as you're going whether you're getting the right size, the right shape, you're happy with what you're doing. And then finally, I'm just going to go across like this. So once you've practiced and you've done that a few times, and perhaps you've filled the whole of your page, you'll be ready to actually have another go. All you need is a piece of baby white, maybe a wet cloth with some water on it, and it is literally a case of just wiping it down. Now, anywhere where the paint has dried, all I do is I put my finger into the cloth, so I've got a little point, and just give it a little bit extra rub with my finger. But after that, it's a case of just wiping the whole thing down, allow that to dry, or use a piece of kitchen paper to dry that down, and you're good to go and start practicing again.
If you want to see more from Highlight Crafts, make sure you click the like button, subscribe by clicking the subscribe button below, and click the bell icon to receive notifications of all of our future content. You can also click here to see our latest video, or click here to see more videos like this one.